Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, Dreamcatcher time. I am like every Dreamcatcher reaction now. I'm going to be so freaking hyped. And yes, next onto the list is Lullaby. Now this is a special clip. I have no idea. So this is from the Nightmare storyline, I'm guessing. This is from the ongoing Nightmare storyline. So let's see what the special clip is. There are subtitles here, so I'm very happy. So I know I have to learn the names and stuff like that, but I couldn't hold myself back from reacting to like the next song on the list. So let's check out Lullaby. I'm already hyped. But this is called Lullaby. So is this like a slow, this is going to be slow pop rock? What is it going to be? Let's see. Wow. I gotta learn the names, huh? I will, but let's just listen to the songs. Both Chase Me and Polka are now on my playlist. Oh man. I'm a sucker for piano beginnings. This is so different. Sua. I was saying I have to learn the names, they've given the names. Okay. Wow. Sion. 나는 너의 눈을 바라보는 게 다인 걸 네가 없는 시간 속에서 난 떠나버리고 싶어 잊어버린 기억 속에만 This is like a sad song. Lullaby 오늘은 가지 마 이 노래를 불러줄게 아침이 밝아와도 곁에 있어줘 That falsetto she took. Oh, I did not expect the beat drop. Don't make me cry. 단 한순간도. Yeah. Don't leave me alone. 내 손을 잡아줘. 오랜 시간 속에. Dami. Oh yeah, she's the rapper with the deep voice. I recognize her. Dami. Wow. This sounds like an OST. For a K-drama. Wow. The vocals. I love how they are doing the pop rock thing, man. I am so happy to get into this group. I cannot even tell you guys, Insomnia. I cannot even express my happiness properly. I can just witnessing this in K-pop. Just them doing the pop rock genre. Incredible. The vocals are insane, man. What a song. I cannot believe they have not won. Like, they have not had their first win till now. Really sad. Incredible. Guys, incredible. Incredible. Wow. Huh? Sua, Jiu, Sion, Dami, Handong. I don't remember all the names. These are the names I can recall, but I have to place the name with the face also. I have not really actively looked into the members. I will. You guys have shared me the links also for their guide and stuff like that, so I'll watch it. Just what a beautiful song. Again, like this is like criminal. This to it's like only what 1.6 million views. That's it. That is it. That's so sad. What a beautiful song. I am telling you, I cannot express how happy I am to just explore the discography. I like, I was not planning on sitting for a Dreamcatcher, like recording a Dreamcatcher reaction right now because I've been recording various videos. But I was like, you know what? I feel like I want to listen to another Dreamcatcher song. This is like, after such a long time, I am just so thrilled to check out a group like proactively. Oh man, I love it. I am in love with this group already. I am in love with them. I will admit it right away, even though I don't know their names. What a different song. What a different song. Again, using the pop rock genre, beats, their vocals. They sounded so angelic. They sounded so angelic. So, how does this fit into this? Because this says special clip. This says special clip. So, how does this fit into the storyline? Because in Chase Me, uh, is this when that mansion or that house or hotel was not haunted and this is how they were and something happened to them and then you see that in the room like the guy finds them because it says to be continued, it says to be continued. So do let me know, Insomnia, how it fits into the storyline, or is it like a special clip which is not related to the storyline? This is something that they wanted to put out in terms of music. So let me know that also. Okay, there's some noise happening upstairs. I don't know. Something. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. So beautiful. What a beautiful song. Lullaby. Just the vocals only calmed me down. The vocals only calmed me down. This sounds like such an OST for a K-drama. Huh? Like when the guy goes away and then the girl is thinking about the past memories. Yeah, it's just my imagination running wild. So yes, that was the reaction to Lullaby. Lullaby, they are calling it Lullaby. I pronounce it as Lullaby. So that was the reaction, guys. I'm I'm in love with them. Yeah, it's a fact. It's a fact. What a group, man. What a group. I love it. So, yes, I will end the reaction here, sharing your thoughts on the song below. And I will sign off now. And I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.